In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link pages in Notion, step by step, so you can keep your workspace clean, connected, and easy to navigate. Linking pages is one of the most powerful features in Notion because it lets you create dashboards, reference other notes, and build a proper knowledge system without duplicating information. Whether you're using Notion for work, study, or personal planning, this is a skill you absolutely need. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Notion tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the area where you want to create your linked page. This could be inside an existing page, a dashboard, or even your sidebar. Once you're in the right place, go ahead and create a new page. You can do this by clicking on New Page, either from the sidebar or directly within your workspace. Creating a new page gives you a clean space where you can add blocks, content, and links to other pages. After the new page opens, click anywhere inside the page so your cursor is active. This is where the magic happens. On your keyboard, type the / followed by the words Link Page. As you type, Notion will automatically show a list of block options. This / command menu is one of the fastest ways to work in Notion, and it lets you add advanced blocks without digging through menus. From the list of options, click on Link to Page. This block allows you to connect one page to another, creating a direct reference. Once you click it, Notion will prompt you to choose which page you want to link. You'll see a list of your existing pages, and you can also search by name if you have a lot of content. Now, select the page you want to link. As soon as you click on it, Notion will insert a linked page block into your current page. This block acts like a shortcut. When you click it later, it instantly opens the original page without creating a duplicate. This is perfect for dashboards, project hubs, or main pages that connect everything together. If you want, you can repeat this process to link multiple pages on a single page. Many people use this method to create a home page in Notion, where all their important pages are linked in one place. You can also drag and reorder linked pages, add headings above them, or combine them with other blocks like text, dividers, and databases. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to link pages in Notion. This simple feature can completely change how organized and efficient your workspace feels. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.